Hi everyone! Welcome to another Quickie Yoga session. So in this class, we are going to do jolly jumps. So there will be jumping involved in through the 5-minute practice. So I hope you have fun with it. So we'll start standing up at the top of our mats. Okay, so as we settle our feet, inhale, we'll reach the arms up. And then exhale, we'll fold forward. Inhale, we'll come up halfway. And since we're doing jumps, we're going to jump back. Okay, press the palms down. And then from here, as we jump back, again, we bend the elbows and land with elbows bent. Inhale, chest presses forward. And then exhale, push back into downward facing dog. Then breathing here, you can alternate bending the knees one at a time. Maybe wiggle the hips side to side. One more cycle. And then from here, we'll look in between the hands, knees bend, we'll jump forward. Inhale, come up halfway. Exhale, we'll fold. Inhale, we'll reach the arms all the way up. Exhale, hands back. Okay, adding on, inhale, reach the arms. Exhale, we'll fold. Inhale, come up halfway. And then from here, we'll ground the palms. Maybe at the end of the exhalation, we'll jump back. Breathing in and breathing out. All right, from here, we'll lift the right leg up and we'll step it through in between the hands. Okay, and then from here, so set up for a high lunge, inhale, holding here for a moment. And then as you exhale, we'll bring the palms down and then we'll jump switch. Bring that left leg forward. As you inhale, we'll reach the arms up. And then exhale, hands back down. As we step back. And then moving on. And then exhale into downward facing dog. Okay, so notice the breath here. Lengthen the inhale. Lengthen the exhale. Okay, we'll look in between the hands again. Knees bend, we'll jump forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, we'll fold. Inhale, we'll reach the arms all the way up. Exhale, hands back. Next round, inhale. Exhale, we'll fold. Inhale, come up halfway. And then exhale, we'll make our way back. Breathing in. And then breathing out. Okay, we'll do that same effort with our jump lunge. Okay, inhale, lift the left leg up this time. Step that left foot forward. Okay, inhale, reach the arms up. Just gonna call it a jumping lunge. Exhale, hands down. And then we'll do a jump switch. Right foot forward, set up the legs. Breathing in, oops, find your balance. And then breathing out as you step back. And then transitioning through, inhale, and then exhale into downward facing dog. Okay, stay for another breath as you push away from the mat. One more cycle. Then we'll look in between the hands, bend through the knees as we jump forward, inhale, exhale, fold. Inhale, we'll reach the arms up. Exhale, hands back. One more round. Inhale, reach the arms. Exhale, we'll fold. Inhale, come up halfway. And then exhale, jumping back. Breathing in. And then breathing out. All right, this time we'll do a few jump switches. Inhale, lift the right leg up. Here, we'll step it through. We'll find high lunge again. Inhale first. And then as you exhale, hands come down. And then we'll switch 2 times, ending up on the right leg. Keep pushing away from the mat. Okay, so still on the right side, inhale. And then exhale, hands come down. You continue to transition through. Breathing in. And then exhale into downward facing dog. You're catching your breath with our jumps. All right, left side, inhale, left leg lifts. We'll step it through in between the hands. Ground through the legs, traction the thighs as you inhale, come up. Exhale, palms come down. Jump switch again, right and then left. Inhale, coming up. Nice. And then as you exhale, bringing the hands down as we step back. Okay. And then notice, since we've integrated jumping, notice the breath. And you regulate the breath again. Maybe at this time, regulate the thoughts as well. One more cycle here. And from here, we'll look in between the hands. Knees bent, jumping forward. Inhale. Exhale, we'll fold. Inhale, reaching up. Exhale, hands back. Namaste. So if you're looking maybe to make it into a 10 or 15-minute workout, you can do that same sequence maybe twice or 3 times and know that it will get your heart rate up like it did for me. So I'd like to thank you for watching. This is Every Yoga by Jo and Daya, sharing everyday yoga for everybody.